Welcome, my name is Rajan and you are watching the Drywall Guy from the 505. Turning your wood paneling into smooth wall, part 7, so let's get started.
This is about the consistency that you want for installing your mesh. The mesh comes in a 38-inch wide roll. It's best to fit your dimensions off the wall, roll the mesh out on the floor to make your cuts at that point. Now we're ready to apply the mud to the paneling before we install the fiberglass sheeting. Apply the coat nice and thin and evenly, all the way out to the corner.
If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe. And ring the notification bell. Please leave a comment below, it helps the algorithm and lets us know what other video topics you would like to see. Thank you.